Pros and cons of vinyl flooring for your house. Vinyl flooring is extremely water resistant and won't sustain damage even if water sits on the surface for an extended amount of time. Composed of plastic, it's available in plank, tile, and sheet form. Luxury vinyl plank, LVP, and luxury vinyl tile, LVT, are two forms that have gained popularity recently because of their durability and the variety of styles available. The average cost for installation varies depending on the form. The average range is $1.50 sheet vinyl to $6 or more, LVP and LVT, per square foot. Pros of vinyl flooring. Good for kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms and basements. Durable, water and fade resistant. DIY friendly. Many design choices are available. Easy to maintain. Cons of vinyl flooring. LVP, luxury vinyl plank, and LVT, luxury vinyl tile, are more expensive than laminate. Lower ROI, return on investment, than wood. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.